Hi everyone, Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a quick look at Scout's new color. This is a 2021 195 Sportfish in the new crystal blue color. Give you a quick look at it. Comes with a 115 Yamaha. Couple of options on this boat. The leaning post with the live well. Has a fusion stereo with the J&L speaker upgrade. Has trim tabs with an indicator. This model offers a ton of room, great for fishing and cruising to the sandbar. You can see up front we've installed the bow cushion. Underneath would be an anchor locker and more storage. Front cooler seat. You can see the anodized aluminum T-top. Back jump seats, rod holders on either side of the gunnels. Stainless steel hardware throughout. Great build quality. Plenty of room for your electronics. If you'd like more information on this boat or any boat in our inventory, please contact us here in Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.